All right, it is happy Friday. Friday. For me, that means very little because I've got showings all weekend. But for you guys, most likely it means weekend is approaching, and it's nothing like a little sun and warmer temperatures to make the weekend a little bit better. I know my weekend will be better for my clients and for myself because we have closings today. So I'm sitting in front of the home waiting for my clients to get here to do our final walkthrough before our closing. And a couple things came up. This one was an interesting one. This was the first time home buyer. We changed lenders in the middle, yet we had an amazing transaction so far because of our great team that we had. PV settlement was phenomenal. The title company, even despite our changes in our lender and a couple different hiccups that we had with the buyer, it was phenomenal that they were able to stay on top of everything and get us ready to close today on time. So I just wanted to go over something really quick that happened during this transaction, and I wanted to let people know what you need to bring to closing and how you need to go about getting these things. Not very hard, but typically when you buy a house, you have to pay for it. There's a down payment and some closing costs if you did not receive seller's assist. And that's going to need to be brought to closing with certified funds. A lot of people assume that they can bring a personal check and write it out for $40,000. That's not going to happen. Title company needs to make sure that the funds are available that day for closing. Some of these personal checks can take up to a week to be cleared due to the fact that they're large amounts most of the time. So one of the ways that you can do that is to go to your bank and ask for a cashier's check or a certified check, and they'll be able to provide that for you. You'll have to sign for it, and it's available immediately, just like cash. You also can't bring cash. Don't try to bring cash. That won't work either. So the other option is to get a wire from your bank. So you can have your local bank. Sometimes they make you sign for it. Sometimes you can do it online. Sometimes you can call in, but you can actually wire the funds to the title company for the closing, and we can provide wire instructions. If you have a bank like Bank of America or Ally that does not have a location either in Pittsburgh or at all, there are very little options. So wiring is probably the only thing you can do. You need to know that in advance. So don't forget your driver's license. Make sure it's not expired. So those are other things as well you need to bring with you. Other than that, it's just a matter of making sure that you are there and that the seller is there and everybody signs. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm never too busy. I love talking to my clients, past, future, present. So give me a call, 412-266-6116. Clients just got here. I got to do a final walkthrough and a closing. All right, thanks guys. Enjoy this weather. It's beautiful. All right, bye-bye.